the volcanoes today, and I'm wearing a beret. Yes! So we're just at the volcano-y area. Just seemed like fun, so here we go. We might go off a trail or something and see if we can, I don't know, poke some lava. Smoky, smoky, smoky. It's weird being in all this smoke and there not being a fire anywhere. Because in Colorado, that's why there's smoke. We're expecting a triceratops to pop out of the bushes, even though they apparently don't exist. That scared me a little. Apparently beautiful crystals come from smelly gas.
I like the Mark Twain quote. The smell of sulfur is strong, but not unpleasant to a sinner.
I guess we're sinners.
It smells like home.
Some dude stepped into this sulfur hole and severely burned his leg. It was 205 degrees in the magical forest. Oh God! Oh no! That is a crack! Oh jeez! No! Ah. Yeah, there was totally an animatronic dinosaur that just popped out of here. It was pretty BA. Hula stage. I totally didn't realize that there was a hut back here. It was awesome. Wah wah. Remember that game when you were a little kid, don't step in the lava? Well here it's actually true. The cheeky 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 room in the cheeky 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 room. Little staircase up. Julia.
Wow.
Here we are, going into the lava tube. Lava tube. Katie swims through the lava tube.
I took a picture of it.
Look, we found a dog and it was my friend for a minute until I pulled out the camera. He scared the crap out of me earlier. Adorable dog. And we're just out here by the sunset. Does that look gnarly and nasty enough?
Looks pretty good.
Alright, glorious.
1, 2, 3, aloha!
Alright.
And I'll do the charity work.
Oh, okay, excellent.
Hey, look at that. Looks
There
nice
we
looking.
go.
Looks like kind of a
Very
peach
pretty.
one.
Pretty.
Woohoo. Pearl. We found the dogs. That was day 4 of my Hawaiian adventures. I hope that you enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next vlog where there will be amazingness. You just wait.